Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming connectivity and gathering essentials so you won't interrupt the flow. Once connected, prepare an email you control, a strong password meeting Apple rules, birth date, and security questions. Open Safari, type, create Apple ID in the address bar, and tap the official sign-up result. You begin the account form immediately, enter your email and preferred password, then make sure you choose a password you can recall but that is unique. Now you move through the detailed fields with care, because small errors block verification. Enter your name and birth date exactly as you want them recorded, input the password, and confirm it. Next, request the verification code to your email or phone, then paste it into Safari. Choose security questions you can remember and decide whether to enable two-factor now. Enabling boosts security. Read and accept the terms, then tap Continue to proceed to account create. You finish by verifying one final time and confirming device settings so your Apple ID works across apps. After entering the last verification code, sign into iCloud when prompted and choose what to sync, contacts, photos, or backups, and review payment and shipping options if needed. Make sure two-factor is active for protection. If something fails, check your spam folder, confirm the email address, clear Safari cache and cookies, or try the sign-up again on another device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.